Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to understand Gmail email retention policy, step by step. Knowing how Gmail retains, archives, or deletes emails is crucial for personal users and businesses alike. This full guide for 2026 will help you manage your emails effectively and stay compliant with policies. First, an email retention policy determines how long emails are kept, when they are archived, and when they may be deleted. By default, Gmail retains all emails indefinitely unless you delete them. Deleted emails stay in trash for 30 days before being permanently removed. Archiving emails removes them from your inbox but keeps them in all mail. Deleted emails go to trash and are permanently removed after 30 days. Archiving is safe for long term storage without clutter. For Google Workspace accounts, admins can set custom retention rules, including automatic deletion, archiving, and compliance with legal requirements. Use Gmail labels to organize emails based on importance or retention needs. Use search and filters to find old emails to archive or delete, keeping your account organized and storage optimized. Regularly review your inbox, archive important emails, and delete unnecessary emails. Use Google Vault if available for compliance and legal retention needs. And that's how to understand Gmail email retention policy step by step in 2026. If this helped you manage your emails safely and efficiently, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.